Hello, everyone. My name is Katie Sweeney. I live in South Jersey, approximately 25 miles from Philadelphia. For my undergraduate, I attended Montclair State University. For the past 5 years, I have been working with adolescents who have autism and or other intellectual disabilities. Some of these persons served that I work with are high functioning, while others are more low functioning, and some are verbal, while some are nonverbal. Activities vary by level of functioning. It takes a great deal of patience and understanding to work with this population. Other than that, my experience in the field thus far also included my generalist field placement, where I worked with adults with co occurring disorders of substance abuse and mental health. I have members of my family that have substance abuse problems. Working with this population was definitely eye opening. In my upcoming field placement this fall, I will be interning for YCS, working with clients who have disabilities in more of a home setting. I love learning new things and gaining new and different experiences, especially given the fact that social work is a very broad profession. I would like to work with adopted and foster children in the future, as I am adopted myself, and this holds a special place in my heart. I look forward to working with all of you in this course. Thank you.